Hello, welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today we are going to talk about the library. I will ask you some questions. Please answer it in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. What is a library?
A library is a place when people read to borrow.
Do you have a library at your school or near your house?
Yes, we have a library at our school.
What can you do in the library?
I can read books, study, and sometimes use the computer in the library.
What book do you like to read in the library?
I like to read storybook and science book in the library.
How often do you go to the library?
I go to library 2 times 1 week.
Do you go to a library alone or with your friend?
I usually go to library with my classmates.
Why is the library a quiet place?
A library is quiet because people need to read and study a book.
What thing can you see in the library?
I see a bookshelf, table, chair, librarian, and many books.
Do you borrow book from the library?
Yes, I borrow books and I turn them after 1 week.
Why is the library important for students?
The library is important because it helps study to learn and improve their learning.
Thank you for your answer. That is the end of your speaking test. Well done and have a nice day.
Teacher.